Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish F.I.R.E trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video, guys. But before we get into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. All right, with that being said, please remember that I am not a licensed financial advisor. Only trade and invest money that you can afford to lose. All right, so I'm back with another Robinhood portfolio update, and I just want to show you guys that officially yesterday my Robinhood portfolio outperformed the stock market. All right, we closed out at a 0.87% gain on yesterday, while the market closed out at a negative 0.14% loss on yesterday. So I'm just showing you guys the power of correctly investing in the stock market. All right, and so let's take a look over at MetaTrader 4. Just take a look at the S&P 500 index. You guys, if you can, hopefully you can see this. The purple horizontal line is the previous all-time high. However, this green spike here is the new all-time high, and I think that we're looking pretty good to overtake that all-time high. However, I don't 100% like, if you take a look at today's green candle compared to yesterday's red candle, I don't like the fact that the opening of today's candle is even with the opening of yesterday's candle. I would have preferred that the opening of today's candle be even or lower than the close of yesterday's candle. So for me, that just kind of speaks to more than likely the market investors will come back to that area, or they may not. You know, it may not be beneficial for them, but I think that they may come back towards the close of yesterday's candle. Although we do see where it did wick down past the close, and obviously some orders was filled, but from a structural standpoint, I would have preferred to see the opening even or below yesterday's close. So that's it for this update, guys. Pretty much, again, small Robinhood portfolio amount. I just started this September 25th. Overall, we're at a 7.71% gain, so about $63.09 on this particular portfolio. So that's what we have, guys. If you're interested in learning exactly what instruments I am investing in, that is allowing me I would say 8 out of 10 times I'm outperforming the S&P 500 index. So if you guys are interested in learning what those instruments are, head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and go ahead and sign up, all right, for that investing mentorship. All right, guys, as always, I appreciate you. Please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pill fishing and stock investing. Bye-bye.